Hello, welcome to the S-CAD domain-based learning. When you open the CATIA, we got this CATIA interface in which part design, generative shape design, and assembly design. So we start with the part design. We go to the file, new, and then here one dialog box comes. We select part design. So we enter in a part design workbench. When we enter in a part design workbench, in a specification tree, three default plane system comes. We hide this because never use this default plane system, because we cannot change the position when we develop any model. By using this plane, we cannot change the position of this model. So initially we do this basic setting for specification tree. For a default access system and for default geometrical set. Again we open the CATIA. In part design, so this is default access system and one geometrical set. So we created new axis system by taking one new point and axis. Always remove this current from the dialog box, because we can change the position of this axis system. So for scaling of this axis system, we do the one setting in display. We increase this range up to 50. Then now we do the user interface setting. So we tool, then customize. First we do for our easy access to part design, surfacing and assembly. So first we set for part design control +1, then for shape design control +2, and for assembly design control +3. Also we do the basic setting for fit in all. We go for view, then fit in all, then show properties, then control plus R. Then we also do one setting for hide and show. We can show any model from the specification tree by using the space bar from keyboard. So we go for view, then hide and show, then in properties we enter kp underscore space. Now initially we need to do the CATIA setting for the units. So we go for tool, option, parameters, the unit. Here we set the parameter as for length, millimeter, meter, what you want, what is our requirement for mass, gram, kilogram. Always create a new body. Okay, never set the part body, because we cannot add or remove part body. So always also while creating sketch, always use the position sketch, in which we select the plane or give the projection point. So all the dependencies of this, whatever the we sketch, draw, or we develop the model, all the dependencies goes on this single point on axis system. When we change the axis system, it's all the sketch or model change with respect to this change in the point. So here we see that we change the point, so there is change in axis system and sketch, but default axis system keeps remaining at 0 0. Also there is one benefit of this position sketch. We can easily change the sketch support. Okay, if you want to change the plane or change the direction horizontal to vertical, so we can easily do this with the help of position sketch. Here are the setting of for the horizontal and vertical. Now we see this, we change the sketch support for the sketch we develop at the initial level. Okay, so this is all the sketcher workbench. Here we see the different commands from this. Okay, here we are difficult to find some CATIA commands or toolbar. So we restore the CATIA commands. So we go to the customize, then we go to the toolbar, and then restore the content. So we got all the toolbars like profile or operations, then constraint. So this is all our total sketcher workbench, in which we learn in the upcoming tutorial about the rectangular profiles, circular profiles, splines, lines, all these things. Also the operation like fillet or chamfer, then trim, mirror, all these things. So now as we do the setting for control 1 for part design, so now we are in a part design, then we change to surfacing by using control 2, and now we go to the assembly design by pressing the control 3. So this is assembly design, we go in assembly design. So this is the standard CAD methodology which we use in the upcoming our product development course. Thank you.